Hello students, welcome to our geography class. From last video we starting the lesson number 9 map scale. In that videos we complete the figure 9.1, 9.2, 9.3 and 9.4. In the 9.3 measurement of students height, actual height and height of in photographs. Then figure 9.4. Here the three villages distance between 1 centimeter is equal to we consider the 10 kilometer. Now let us start geographical explanation. In a map scale, it is essential to correlate the distance between 2 points on a map and the actual distance between these 2 points on the ground. Here student difference of 2 points. Difference between points on the map and actual difference between ground point. The ratio of the map distance to the ground distance in a map scale. To draw a map to scale, it is essential to know the ground distances. These distances are measured during surveying. While preparing a map based on distance, a suitable ratio is selected. After the preparation of the map, it is necessary to mention the map scale. This facilitates map reading and helps to understanding the distance on the ground. In this student, there are three ways of expression the scale on a map. Verbal scale, numerical scale, and linear scale. Linear means graphical scale also. In figure 9.5, a map is given. All the above method of map scale are shown on the map. Carefully note the different ways of writing the scale. Here, figure 9.5. The map of Maharashtra. Here, scale type 1 centimeter is equal to 60 kilometer. In figure 9.5, a map is given. All the above method which are above methods: verbal scale, numerical scale and linear scale. Linear scale means geographical scale also. First is verbal scale. Verbal scale is one of which distance are expressed with the use of words indicating measurement. Example, if the scale is 1 centimeter is equal to 60 kilometer. Then centimeter is the unit of distance on the map and kilometer is the unit of distance on the ground. Here different distance, the unit of distance. On map, kilometer and distance. Centimeter is a unit of distance on map. On map, centimeter is a unit. And on ground, kilometer is a unit of distance. Then second point is numerical scale. The scale is expressed as a ratio. Example in 1.60 lakh represent the distance on the map. 60 lakh represent distance on the ground. This is 60 lakh times the map's distance. It is also known as representative fraction. In this scale only numbers are used. In this scale student only numbers are used. This scale is also written as in this way 1.60 In this method there are no words used indicating measurement. The same unit used for the figure on the left hand side is also used for the figure on the right hand side. Then last point is linear scale, means graphical scale. This scale is shown graphically on a map. The distance between any 2 points on a map is measured with the help of linear or graphical scale. Example here, student, a scale, kilometer. If a ruler is not available, then the compass is a blade of grass, or for curves a thread can be used for measuring the actual distance between places on a map. You will understand this with the help of next exercise.